again because it's really coming down now. So I turn the air on, it's just getting stifling. If I have the windows open, it is pouring thunder and lightning. It's just killing me. On my windshield, I can't see anything. I mean, I don't have a window that is on, but the rain is coming down. Assuming that I can't be late to the back. Good. Safe and sorry to come back. Still, even if they get back here, they're gonna have to wait inside because there's no way we're gonna run out there and get our kids and come back here. So I had to get the air conditioning on because it was just too stifling. You can't have the window obviously because down. So it's clear than that one, which is weird. This is storm coming from that direction. Wind's blowing really good, so I'm going to shut down again. So, ciao.